Welcome back, everybody. To Market Insights with Linux, and welcome to this new video right here on gold. Wanted to do a full update on gold. Wanted to talk about some amazing buy areas, and just in general wanted to give you my thoughts on why I think gold is actually still an amazing asset in 2025, 2026 for the long term to accumulate. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. Now, in all honesty, I already recorded this video about 10 minutes ago, but then I forgot to use the right screen. So you were just looking at the S&P 500 while I was talking, and I was showing levels on gold. That doesn't work. So we're going to do a rerun right here of that video. I'm going to upload it again or I'm going to record it again. So that does mean that I know what I want to talk about, but it's obviously for me a little bit boring. But no, first of all, what I wanted to start off with gold is the fundamentals and the fundamental reasons why. And for that, we do not need a chart. For that, you and I just need to talk. And the fundamental reasons why I think gold is still an amazing asset to accumulate. And that has different reasons, right? So first of all, one of the key reasons why I think a lot of money is able to flow in gold is the monetary policy in the United States. All right, what's going to happen in 2025 is that interest rates, most likely, all right, I've been following them for years. This will most likely happen, even though they are not lowering them right now. But interest rates will be lower. And at the same point of time, we know that most money ever is in money market funds. All right, so money market funds are basically cash. So what's going to happen when the interest rate gets lower and when the return on these money market funds gets lower as well, this money is going to go somewhere. It's going to go into ETFs. It's going to go into stocks. It's going to go into, well, not bonds, but it's going to go into crypto. But there's another asset. There's another asset that's very interesting, and that's gold, an asset that has performed very, very well over the course of the last 100 years, and an asset, and that's the second part of the fundamental reason why I think gold is an amazing coin, technically. But why gold is an amazing asset, it has reasons why it should go up. Gold is a safe haven asset, and in my opinion, there's so many things going on still in the world that can cause unrest, and unrest will cause the prices of gold to go up, right? You have the situation between Israel and Iran. That is not fixed. That is not over. That's going to flare up again at some point of time. And then on the other hand, you have Russia and Ukraine. That's going on right now. That's definitely not fixed. And who knows if that's going to be fixed short term. And then we also have another thing with China and Taiwan, which at this point of time, there's nothing going on. But there is still the question, and there is still a possibility that something happens. So then you have a lot of reasons why an asset, gold in this case, can go up. You have a lot of money that's available and that's going to stream into these assets later. So then fundamentally, I think that's a great reason for why we will go up. Now, on the short term, I think unrest is actually decreasing. That's also reflected in the chart right here for gold. I mean, gold has been relatively stable. It has lost the uptrend on the higher time frames, and that's most likely going to continue. So short term, I do think that gold will stay relatively stable and that we will be relatively bearish. But I think that's an opportunity. For the reasons I've given earlier, I think that's an opportunity to accumulate, first of all, between 3,200 and 3,150. That's the support of this range. We also have a naked BOC there. We have the 0.618 VIP there, and a possibility to accumulate around 30,000 or 3,050, which is an amazing support level. 200 EMA, fair value gap, definitely an area to watch. So those are my thoughts fundamentally on why I think gold is still an amazing asset to invest in. Those are my technical levels where I will be investing. You have to do with that what you want to do. But those are my thoughts, and that's what I think you need to know on gold for now. So hopefully that helps. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.